Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get UniCredit bank statement online. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in UniCredit bank statement online. Now you will see this e-statement link. You press on it. Now you can see what are the benefits of e-statement: free of charge, fast, secure, environmentally friendly, simple, easily storable, and official. And then you can see how to request for an electronic statement. Applying for an e-statement is simple, just one click via the UniCredit e-banking internet banking service, and it will be available in our system next month. Of course, you can also request it in person from our consultant at our bank, but this is not our topic because we need to see how to do the e-statement. So if you still don't have UniCredit e-banking yet, you can press on this link, you follow it, and then you can press on internet banking and you can see the options here. You can choose among them and you can create and request for an account, and your e-statement will be on the e-banking system, whether it is on the website, on your computer, or on your mobile app, and that's it. This is how it works. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.